y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in from one of my channel members. I'm really excited about this. Yeah, let's get into this. All right, today I'm going to be opening it up with my QSP slip joint. In my Duties Daggers, handmade in the USA, a little leather slip. I got to get him to make me another one for my Medford. I love his slips. Does a really nice job. All right, so this is one of my favorite slip joints. Like, got me started in the whole slip joint thing was this little QSP M391. I enjoy carrying this one. So let's get into this. Trying not to show too much information. This here is a slicer. I'll just tell you that. I love this knife. All right, so let's see. What do we have in here? Whew. I'm pretty excited about this one. All right, so he said this is something for me as a gift. I'm totally blown away when people do this. I don't think I have enough words to express my gratitude. So this is something, so there's a story here. This was my first slip joint that I bought and started carrying very regularly. This is the blue camel carbon, the QSP. It's more of a premium one. Got this off at Traditional Pocket Knives. It's a little dirty. I do need to clean it. Sorry, I do use my stuff. But this was the first one I started carrying. But what got me going into slip joints was what's in here. And when I saw it, I didn't get a chance to order it. And so Tyler Williams, if you don't follow him, his link will be down below. You got to follow his channel. He's a super awesome guy. He does a lot of shorts, and they're really quality shorts. And the scenery he does. The other day I was watching a bunch of his shorts, and it was just so peaceful. I know that sounds crazy. Little story time here, but it was so peaceful. It's worth it. It's worth it. It's very enjoyable. All right, so let's take a look at this. This is the Urban EDC Barley. All right, so let's see. What do we have? How does this open? Is it magnetic? Oh, there we go. Ooh, here we go. Look at this. Wow, that's a nice little case there. All right, so this is the Barley titanium. Beautiful little design here. You know, you can see some similarities. You know, I like modern slip joints. This is more of a modern. It's not as traditional. But this slip joint, when I got to check it out, had this finger choil. And when I held this thing, I was like, this is amazing. And I've done a review on this. I did the one that was a blue Sagai. It was part of our pass around. But wow. Look at this beautiful thing. Titanium, which is up my alley. I really like traditional titanium. This is absolutely gorgeous. T8 hardware. This is a Divo Knives design, by the way. They designed this, an Urban EDC exclusive. I love the full long nail neck, full or whatever you want to call it. But it's a nice nail neck. It has good grip. You can get your hands in there. Nice walk and talk on this thing. The half stop is great, really solid. And when you open it up, what I really enjoy is this finger choil, because that does allow, so if it breaks a little bit, you can catch it so you're not going to be chomping down on your finger. That to me made this very useful, very nice knife to cut with. So thin, super slicey. I really dig that. I think that's super nice. The thinness of this is just phenomenal. So I do have a review, and I'll post a link to my review for the prototype that I got to check out. This is the production version, so definitely can tell. I mean, this is just this feels thinner than the one that I checked out, and I like that. I really like that. So really cool. Let's see how it fits in one of these. Oh, that's a nice fit. That's a nice fit. Just sticks out a little bit, which means that what are we talking about here? It is just a bit slightly a bit. Can I do this here? Let's see here. Oh, let's do it this way. It's probably easier to see this way. We'll go this way. Let's see. All right. Yeah, so slightly a bit longer for sure. All right. So let's extend the blade. Just kind of give you if you have a hedgehog, yeah, they're about exactly the same. So this one has nice grip here as well. I have large hands with big meaty fingers, so plenty of room on this guy, right? But this one, what I really like is that you can choke up and you get a little extra room. So extra large, double extra large hands. If you're looking for a nice slip joint, you can get a good presentation on. This is something you definitely want to check out. This is super cool. Tyler, man, thank you. Thank you so much. I am so humbled. This is one I'll definitely be carrying. This got me really hooked. I drank the Kool-Aid. So if you're a channel member and you see some of the emojis One of the emojis is me with a little hedgehog here. This is me drinking the Kool-Aid because I said I'd never carry slip joints. I was not a slip joint fan until this. And now I get it. And now what do I have? I have 4 slip joints. I have a hedgehog, I have a Barley, I have a traditional, tactile knife company, a Bayer or Bexter, whatever. I don't know what the pronunciation. I've heard different pronunciations. I've heard Bayer the most, but I don't know. Well, I'll have to ask at the next Blade show, Michael and those guys. But then I also have a Gentleman Jack by Medford, and those are phenomenal, absolutely phenomenal. We will carry this. We will review this. I'm going to see if maybe Duty's dagger could make me another little beautiful leather slip like this right here for it. I think that would be really cool. I think I would very much enjoy that. So this is a great little one here. So very, very nice. Let's go ahead and take a little close look up here so we can look at that beautiful blade. Look at that nice satin finish there. Nice nail neck, and that's very functional. It's not super sharp, but it's enough when you put your finger in it, you get a good grip on there. I love the T8 screws all the way across. You've got that beautiful back lock right up here, the back spring, and look at that connection right there. That is just tight as anything, just fantastic. It does have a little lanyard pin. You can definitely put a lanyard on there. You can see inside, traditional, everything like that. It didn't get any cutout, but it's so thin that it doesn't feel very heavy. This beautiful titanium, I mean, you could anodize it. There's so much you could do with this. So if I ever got a modder to do something fantastic, you know, that would be really cool. But I like this color, this design a lot. This is kind of my cup of tea, very traditional, simple. Either blacked out or titanium. I mean, I dig those kind of things, right? So again, look at the top here. Beautiful all the way across. Not super sharp on top. I like that. Nice kind of a, I would call this a sheep's foot with a curve in the top. So definitely a sheep's foot with a little bit of a curve to the blade. It's not absolutely flat, but it's definitely very nice for a cutter, precision cutter. Definitely thin, super slicey, comes to a nice edge. You can see that. Let's take a look at that edge on the 2 side. Yeah, and let's look at the edge over there. Very even edge, very nicely ground. I like that chamfered all the way around. You can see that chamfering all the way around on the handles, all the way around on both sides. I think that's really, really outstanding. I do dig that a lot. All right, very cool. So let's get a nice close-up here. Here is the Barley by Urban EDC, a Divo knives design, but a Urban EDC exclusive. I love the satin finish. And is that? Yeah, it's a flat grind. It just looked for a second, right there. It almost looked like a hollow grind, but it is a flat grind. I was like, what? Did I miss that? No. So beautiful design. I love this. Nice and rounded here. So when you get a good grip, it's going to be nice and solid. Super thin, which is nice like the Bayer. Really, 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 really dig that. Right? And that walk and talk is just nice. It's crispy like it needs to be, and it's solid when it opens up. Really nice and solid. So I'm really looking forward to that. That is unbelievably outstanding. Yeah. Man, this is going to be a lot of fun to carry. I'm really looking forward to carrying this one here for sure. Oh, just really nice. Really, really nice. And I love how that feels in hand. You know, this is also great because it's got a big, giant, you know, sheep's foot blade as well. But this is really, really cool. I really dig this a lot. Yeah. I like that stone-washed titanium finish there with the satin blade. That's just really, really nice. And yeah, that walk and talk is just outstanding. Nice and centered for sure. Absolutely centered. Love the back. Everything's so, the tolerances are just really outstanding. Really outstanding. And I love the T8 hardware. To me, that's a big deal, right? Some nice T8 hardware. All right. So this is the Urban EDC exclusive Barley. This is the titanium version. They had a few other variants out there, but man, this is nice. This is so nice. I actually really, if I was going to buy it, if I was looking, this is the one I actually wanted. That is so crazy. Tyler, man, I don't know how you, I don't know if you knew that, or if maybe you bought it and you thought, hey, no, I want to get a different version, so I bought a second one, and now I need to do something with this one, and you thought to be nice. Thank you. Thank you. I am humbled. This was a gift to me, so it's not a gift to the channel, so I'm going to definitely carry this and use this, and when I get gifted things like that, I tend to take that as a personal gift, and so I tend not to give those away because they're meaningful, right? That's just my perspective on when people gift something. That means something to me. And I guess I'm very traditional with knives like that. Giving a knife has always been for me, and I love the history of it. It means a lot. And so it's an honor. Yeah, it's an honor to receive one, and it's an honor to give a knife. So very much appreciate that. So yeah, thank you guys. Really, Tyler, I can't, I don't have enough words to say thank you. I really don't, but thank you. So, all right, guys, a little gush session there. Really enjoying this knife. You may get me into case ones yet. You never know, Tyler. You may get me into the case. I have to admit, I've been watching some of your case slip joints, and I'm not drinking the Kool-Aid. I swear, I don't hate some of them, which is really weird for me to say because you have to understand the history. I was way more passionate about not liking case slip joints than I was just not liking slip joints. And here I am. Again, my aesthetic's changing. It's interesting how that happens. You get exposed to a lot of different knives. It's very exciting. It changes some of the things you like, you don't like. It opens up you to experience new things in that regard, you know, and it just gets you to appreciate different designs, different creativity, different engineering, different functionality of tools. I like that. I like that. So that's to me, this is why I enjoy this hobby a lot. This is a lot of fun. So yeah. All right, enough of that. You probably have already, if you hung around this long, man, thank you. You truly are a fan, or you got stuck not being able to skip. So, but thank you anyways. Hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or entertaining, would you please consider hitting that like button down below? If you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps out the channel. It allows the channel to produce more content, do more things, ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone out there who watches, who enjoys the videos, who is part of the live streams. I sure appreciate you guys. Thank you. Thank you so much. And if you haven't already, hit that notification button down below so you can be notified of future content like this video. And to all of my channel members, a big, huge thank you. You guys allow me to do things way sooner than I ever thought I could. So I am very grateful to you guys and humbled by you guys. And as a small way for me to say thank you, I do 2 exclusive things for channel members. I do a once-a-month members giveaway. It's usually very exclusive and a higher-end knife because, well, you've been so generous with the membership. So I want to make sure I'm generous and grateful back to you. So, you know, if that interests you, I'd love to have you as a channel member. Check out the description down below. There's a link for 3 different tiers. Would love to have you as a member. Please don't ever feel obligated. Totally open to it. But if you do become a member, thank you. Thank you. And also, I also send out a channel member a channel sticker to every brand new channel member. Email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail that to you. If you've been a channel member for a while, or you were a channel member before and became a channel member again and are a channel member now, and never asked for a sticker, email me as well. I'd love to mail you a sticker. Hey, if you haven't already, check me out over on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.